Hello and welcome back to Gapeys Grow Room. I've been busy doing some garden planning and seed shopping, and today I wanted to share with you a couple of orders that I got in the last couple of months. We've got one here from Johnny's Seeds. I've been ordering from them for several years. They have a lot of neat hybrids as well as some heirlooms, and I've got a few good ones that I'm looking forward to trying this year. And then I've also got a seed order here from Botanical Interests. And in case you didn't know, Botanical Interests is now owned by Epic Gardening, which I thought was really cool. I also did some orders from people on Instagram and Facebook, and I might share those with you on a different video. But today I wanted to share with you the seeds I got from these two companies. We're going to start with our Johnny's Seeds here. We've got some cucumbers. I've got two different varieties. This one here is the striped Armenian. I've grown Armenian before, but not this striped version, so I'm looking forward to that one. This one here is a hybrid called Gimlet. It's labeled as a greenhouse cucumber, and that is because it does not require pollination. So there's lots of information on the back of the seed packet, which I really like about the Johnny's Seeds. There's a lot of growing instructions and just some more information about the seeds. But it says they may be grown indoors or outdoors. They do not need pollination to grow fruits, and fruits are seedless unless bees transfer pollen from the seeded cucumber varieties. Most cucumbers are not seedless and they do require pollination, but this one is a hybrid that does not require that, so that's pretty cool. And I think these cucumbers are a smaller variety. And then here we've got a radicchio called Luna Rosa. This is a really pretty pink one, so I like that one. I'll probably grow that in the fall though, so not the spring. And then here we've got a hybrid kale called Mamba. And I think this one is kind of a curly kale. I'll have to double check. Actually, it's a cross. It says on the back it's a cross between a red Russian kale and a Siberian kale. And then we've got some peppers here. This one is a hybrid called Pantera, and this is a jalapeno variety. But I did specifically want this one because it's supposed to be similar to the Jedi jalapeno that I grew last year, which was also a hybrid. I did save seeds from it, so I'm thinking of giving those saved seeds a try just to see what happens. But this one should be a good one. So we've got another hybrid hot pepper. This one is called Sargento, and it is a poblano type pepper. But I'm going to try growing more Mexican peppers this year because I want to make some Mexican chili powder. And then we've got a couple flowers. This one is a marigold called Nocento Lime Green. So I think that one is looking really pretty, so I wanted to give that one a try. I've never grown a hybrid marigold before, so I'm not sure how that's going to go and if I should try saving seeds from those or not. And then this last one that I got from Johnny's is a Clarkia flower called Grace Shell Pink. I've grown Clarkia before, and I wasn't too fond of the color of the Clarkia. It was like a really hot, like pink color, I think. So I wanted something a little more not so flashy, and I think this one should be a good one. This does not say it's a hybrid, so I should be able to save seeds from this one. But I did like the Clarkia flowers, so I'm looking forward to trying this one. It does work well as a cut flower and good for pollination too. All right, moving on to our Botanical Interest seeds. I've got a nice mix of different things here. We've got, I don't think there's any hybrids in here. I'm not even sure if they sell hybrids actually. But this one is a lobelia. It's a different colored mix here. And it's an annual that's good in full sun to part shade. It's good for containers. I've never grown it before. This is a trailing type flower, so I want to try this in hanging baskets this year. And then we've got a celery called Marengo. It is frost tolerant, it says, and it should be ready in 80 to 90 days. Botanical Interest also has some pretty good information on the back of their packets. I've never grown this variety before, but I have grown a few different celeries, so I wanted to try some new variety I haven't tried before. And then this one here is a Napa cabbage. I like growing this for kimchi. This one is called 1 kilo slow bolt. I haven't tried this variety before, so because it's slow bolt, I think that will work pretty well because I like growing this in the summertime. And then we've got an onion called Gladstone. I've not grown this variety before. It looks like this is a white onion. Normally I grow yellow and red varieties. So I think this is the first time I've tried a white one. And this is an intermediate day variety, which should be good for most growing zones. And I'll be starting these onion seeds here pretty soon. Onion seeds don't last very long, so normally you should buy new seeds every year, but I might try growing some of the ones from last year. And we've got another jalapeno variety. This one is called Megatron. I like really big, large jalapenos for making poppers. And this one is one I haven't tried before. And it's called Megatron, so it sounds like it could be a very large variety. It says it gets up to 4.5 inches long, which should be perfect for stuffing. And then we've got a honey boat delicata. I ran out of delicata seeds and I didn't grow delicata last year, and it's one of my favorite squashes to grow. So I definitely wanted to get some more seeds of that one. And I haven't tried the honey boat variety, but it should be a good one. And we've got some lettuces. We've got, actually these are all mesclun mixes. So it's basically just a mix of different varieties of lettuces, and I do like variety, so I like getting these mixes. But this one is, actually this was some free seeds. It says thank you on it. So I didn't actually order this packet because that was a freebie that they threw in with my order. A lot of seed companies will give you some free seeds of different things, which is nice. But the ones I did order is this Farmer's Market blend, which is another mesclun mix, which is slightly different than this one. And they usually do tell you what varieties of lettuces are in the packet. But for some reason, they sent me 2 packets of these seeds, and this thing is full of seeds. I mean, there's a huge amount of seeds in this packet. I don't know why they put it in such a big envelope, but I mean, this whole bottom part is full of seeds. So since I have an extra packet, I'm going to be giving one of these away to one of my followers. So if you want to be entered for a chance to win these, just put a comment in the bottom of this video and add the hashtag seeds. So hashtag seeds will enter you into the drawing for this mix of lettuce seeds. I hope you enjoyed seeing the seed haul that I got from Johnny's and Botanical Interests. And don't forget to enter the giveaway for my lettuce seeds here. This is the mesclun mix, and it is a mix of red salad bowl, black seeded Simpson, Grand Rapids, Royal Oak, Tango, and red sales lettuce. Just put that hashtag seeds in the comments and you'll be entered to win. If you want to see my other seed haul from Facebook and Instagram, let me know and I might post that video as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.